Weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 8 miles northwest of Mentor and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Painesville, East Lake, Mentor, Willoughby. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lake County, Ohio.
This is NOAA Weather Radio.